around and determine the absolute best home remedies that are around. It might take years to do, however there are several different options and choices that are accessible to you. With several hundreds of different remedies available to try, there are a plethora of options and some are going to be much more effective than others are. This is something that is only natural, but should always be expected. If you really wanted to know some of the most popular remedies around, it would take hours to list of. Rather than giving a never-ending list, we shall instead look over several different ingredients that are used quite frequently. Apple cider vinegar would have to lead the pack amongst most popular home remedy. This is something that is used in a very large assortment of home remedies and never fails to get the attention of most people who are citing off their most popular remedy. The usages for apple cider vinegar are enormous. They can range from helping to control allergies that can range from pets and even foods, to helping to reduce the occurrence of sinus infections. There are even some usages that the apple cider vinegar can work to reduce the occurrence of fatigue, acid reflux, sore throats and even more. As you can imagine, this is something that you should always keep in your house so that you are fully prepared. Hydrogen peroxide is another quite common home remedy that is extremely effective. Using it, you can do anything from treat wounds and clean them to also clean out excessive earwax. Additional usages can even include using it to help build stamina and also prevent the flu. This is not something that is well known to most people, but the massive usages for hydrogen peroxide, in addition to the cheapness of the potential home remedies that you can easily use. Baking soda is another hugely popular home remedy. Taking advantage of the ability to use baking soda in a wide variety of usages will allow you to really reap a lot of benefits from the treatment. A small amount of baking soda mixed with some water makes a fabulous facial scrub. Other usages include treating stains and even killing bacteria. These small treatment options are treat for helping to avoid some of the problems that are otherwise associated with stains, smells, acne and problem skin, as well as also treating bacteria. Putting together the perfect home remedy is not always easy to do, but there are some ingredients that are typically extremely effective. Starting out using home remedies with these extremely effective remedies is always a great place to get started, since you can increase your own confidence to try many of the more advanced remedies that are not always quite so common. This ability to get started with something truly successful will allow you to really know how much fun you are having venturing into the world of home remedies without feeling as if you are completely in over your head. Small ventures into home remedies is quite successful, and starting with these 3 extremely popular choices make a perfect place to get started for anyone. From the simplest remedies for skin to those that help to prevent and treat the flu, this is a great set of versatile options.